Here we have body butter in teleplay. However, I'm using this product as a stand-in for Washington State licensed cannabis products. So this is from Quinn. This is what you have. Very cool. So obviously I don't have these on my end right now, but I'm using this product as a stand-in, and I think you can make a good, so I'm pretending basically that I have your product right now instead of this that's over there. I'm just using that as a placeholder. And I think the scene can work well with what you have. It looks kind of like really cool, like kind of dreamlike, relaxing, happy. So anyways, let me, and if you have another type of scene or feel that you're going for, let me know, and I'll make another video for you, Quinn. So I know you had a question regarding the physical setup, so let me show you what I'm doing here. So if I zoom out, okay, as you can see, I have the green blanket on a wall, and I'm lighting the green blanket so that it's nice and evenly lit with, so I have two 100-watt LED daylight bulbs, and then notice how the product is not on the green blanket. It's about like 6 inches away, preferably 10. The farther away you get from the green blanket, the better. So never place it on the green blanket. Here I have it spinning on top of a turntable, and there are cubes below it, but you don't need that many cubes. You can have an alternative setup and it will give you the same exact result. If you just place a box right here and then just use 2 cubes instead of 4, it'll give you the same exact thing. And I'm lighting this product with the cubes with 1, 2, 3 lights. And look how close the lights are to this whole scene right here. It's only about like 8 inches away. So you want the lights to be really close to the actual product. See how close it is? So really the key to making this all work, the physical setup, is number 1, light your green screen well. And number 2, make sure to have at least 2 lights that are really close to the product and the green cubes that are below it. Okay. Now for the actual, again, let me zoom out a little. To summarize, I have the green blanket on a wall. I'm lighting the green blanket with 2 100-watt LEDs. I have the product about 6 inches away on cubes. And I'm lighting the product in cubes with 1, 2, 3 lights. And I'm making sure they're really close to the actual product. Okay, now moving forward, how did I get this scene? So I went to AI generated backgrounds, and what did I do? One easy way to just get the background that I had, or that I have right now, just search for stand within backgrounds, wait about 10 seconds. Okay, now go to photo preview. And the one I'm using is called Neon Stand 2. Click on that. And there we go. And this assumes that you already did the calibration. If there's an issue with calibration after you do the physical setup just like this, let me know and I'll make another video for you. So that's the background. The foreground, I go to Mystical. Here, go to Mystical. And then I just said Gold Fairy Swarm 1. You can also try Gold Fairy 1. Maybe keep it more simple like that. Kind of like that one, maybe a little better. Maybe you can try this right here within the mystical category. Let's see. This, oh my God. This kind of works well too. It's like spinning at the same rotation as the actual product. I think that looks, okay, maybe this is actually the best foreground effect for this particular scene. Let's remove that right there. Maybe center it a little better. Oh. Okay, I really like this scene, but curious, Quinn, to see what you think. I mean, let's see what else we have in terms of foreground effects. What if we do... Chris, I'm just like going off the cuff here. No, probably not this. I don't know, maybe like this neon. If you go to the neon effects, e-commerce text, you can do something like almost out of stock. Okay, the neon fits pretty well here. Maybe something within the food and drinks. Probably not. Oh, probably something in nature transitions can work because you're probably going for kind of like an all natural vibe in some respects. Ah, okay, not bad. This can work well too. Maybe sparkle and particle effects. What if we just keep it simple and do like purple particles? Okay. Oh, okay. Resize it a little. This can work well. Not bad. Oh, what if we do some fireworks? Keep in mind you can also like search within the search bar, but it's easier to kind of browse if I do it this way. What if we do fireworks party 2? Okay, this is gonna work well too. Okay, so definitely there's something in sparkle and particle effects for this scene. Plants and flowers, maybe you want something like, maybe you want something like all natural looking. Oh, that's like an interesting dichotomy. You have like the neon cyberpunk look with some, nice natural accents. Plants and flowers. Yep, actually I'm already there. What if we do something like this plant? Oh, I really like the contrast between the green and like everything else here. Okay, I think that's enough to get you started. You can also play around with, there's over 4,000 effects. What if we do something within like lightning power? Okay, this is gonna kind of work. I don't know, maybe too much going on here. Well, anyways, I think the key thing, just let me know the type of scene you're going for, and I'll give you some other, oh, what about this? Oh, look at this. So see, like I did not plan for this scene whatsoever with the lightning, but this may be like the most like interesting scene. There's just like, I think half the fun is just like playing around with it. And then you don't, some of my best scenes come by just like fooling around with it, because it's kind of like the serendipity effect. I mean, maybe not serendipity, just, the more stuff you throw on a wall, oftentimes something good is going to happen. Anyways, okay, that's it. So Quinn, I'm here for you.